Oh my goodness. What a day, including a snake, which, if you don't know what I'm talking about, see the video from Egg Collect today. Wow, that was exciting. Anyway, that snake has been relocated, so we're all good to go, and now it is time to wrap everybody up for the evening. And you know, things are getting earlier, and it's getting dark earlier and earlier. So it is now almost by 8 p.m. It's almost dark. Days are getting shorter. Let's see if everybody made it into bed tonight. I kind of like going in this way and closing in the ducks and chickens first. See if everybody's in there tonight. Yeah. No escaping. Alright, looks like I got all the ducks and chickens there. Do I see anybody running around out here in the yard? Hey, Christoph. How you doing, big guy? Good to see you. Got any birds over there? Hi, everyone. Yes, you good kids. Yeah, I don't see any more birds out here. Yeah, there's a duck still in the pond. You. What you doing there? I think you are caught on something. No, you weren't. Are you sick? What's wrong, baby? Are you okay? You don't look like you're good on your feet there. What are we going to do for you? Well, I think our best plan is to isolate you for the night. Since you look like you're probably even just going to let me pick you up and do that, huh? Luckily, I have an isolation ward ready to go right over here where you will be safe. Yeah, and you can be protected right back there in the corner, okay? I'm sorry to have to put you back here by yourself, but if you're sick, we can't have you with everybody else, okay? I will get you some water, but for right now, you just kind of hunker down, okay? I'll come check on you. You stay there. That's not good. Okay, well. All the excitement is out here. Because we had 3 ducks over here last night randomly. Let's just check again. Let's see what we've got. No ducks. So I'm over here, and it's probably a good thing to chase you out while I'm here. All right, out. Out, everybody out. Let's go, come on. Out. Go on, get out. Out for bedtime. Out for bedtime. Keep it going. Keep it going there, Mr. Miles. Thank you, sir. Okay, I'll come get you in a couple. All right. That was not what I expected. I also forgot to check up here for an egg. There is one. So that means, technically, today. There's the extra one I found from up there. Same one, same chicken from last night. Alright, so I better put in 2 more. And that's going to be 2. So I don't think I put that one in from last night. And we'll just leave them. I guess I'm going to have to leave them here. I don't know what this is or where it came from. Okay. Okay, I'm a little rattled there, got to admit that. So, yeah, the birds. Let's get the birds. I just want to finish the birds because I kind of started there. Hi. Hi, everybody. Well, that's Kevin's butt. Hi, Kevin. Hi, everybody. Well, it looks like the blue and white, or the blue and orange banded, have really folded in with everybody else. I think they have fully moved in. Welcome aboard, everybody. It's like they've always been here. Okay. I forgot my clothes. Oh well. We will just hope that they did not leave things too disgusting. Lucky so far, and lucky so far. Lucky so far. Okay. I'd say that counts as not too disgusting. Hi, little ones. How we doing? How we doing? How you doing, guys? Good to see you. Is this too tight yet? No, that's not too tight at all. It's just right. It's just right for my gentleman. You're so fashionable. It's what all the fashionable young bucks are wearing. It really is, trust me. It's couture for the season, gentlemen. Okay. I know, I can see out there that you weasels did not eat all that hay anywhere near. And no matter how much and how loud you yell at me tomorrow, I don't think I'm going to give you any new hay. Because I think you will yell just to get something new. Okay, let's get the grain here. Ay. That should be enough for everybody. probably too much. Yes, I agree, it's probably too much. Oh, they did leave an empty one, a messy one that I didn't see. And of course, I hadn't done the old water bowl. And no, I did not get that one today. I did get the new remote control thing, and I got the chicken water done. So we'll take a look at that when I go out and close the door for the chickens in Chicken Manor. But this water bowl I have not adjusted yet, so it's still gross as ever. Let's do this. Make sure that duck's got some water right there. Okay, everybody, in you go. In comes the herd. Dun, dun, dun. Is that everybody? I don't see anybody else out there. Okay. Great. That is in place. Everybody's in now and munching away. Miles, is the grass always greener for you, Miles? I think so. Got to be something better in that next bowl, huh? Good night, everyone. You stand there? Okay. You do not have your head tucked under your wing, so you're not in sleep mode. There you go. You're very wobbly, and you're letting me this close to you without freaking out. None of those are good signs. Okay. You hang tough. Water here. There's food. right next to it as well. We'll see you in the morning, I hope. Okay, let's head on out to Chicken Manor. Well, I'm going to be thinking about that duck all night. Poor baby. She's kind of shivering. There's the moon. Way over there. Seems like just 2 nights ago it was there, and early last week it was over there. Let's still check, just to make sure that nobody has moved back out. Oop. A mouse, but and look! Water so clean you can see to the bottom of the tank. I love it. See you in the morning, folks. Thus ends a long, long day with a few twists and turns. Good night.